My name is Poonam Gill. I am going to teach you mathematics. Again, we'll start with integers with class 7. In our previous class, we have already discussed up to question number. Already we have discussed about up to question number 8. Today we will continue the exercise 1.4 to question number 1. So come to the question number 1, that is evaluate each of the following. Understood? So what we have to do, we have to solve these questions. We have written. We just see how to solve this question, how to evaluate this one. Okay. So this one is the minus 30 divided by 10. I am just going to solve you in two ways. Understood? So minus 30 we can write in this way. This 30 will divided by 10, so that we can cut out this zeros, and we will write the answer. Minus 3 by 1 is equal to minus 3. This is the one way. So another way is minus 30 as it is we are writing and divided by 10. So this divided 10 will, this is the first part. Okay, this is the second part I am writing, or the second way. This minus 30, how we will write? Minus 30, this divided we will convert as the reciprocal. Okay, this is called as the reciprocal. This by 10 I am just writing here 1 by multiply with 1 by 10. Understood? You just see this, we can write it as 30 into 1, that is 30, minus 30 by 10 as it is. So what the condition or what is the form we are writing here? This is the reciprocal. Okay, what we have done here, the reciprocal number we have written here. So here how we are solving this 0 again, we will cut down this minus 3 into 1, it becomes minus 3. You just see, we got the same answer. So these two are the methods you can solve, which one will be easier for you. So this way we can solve. So come to the next question here. 50 divided by minus 5. So how we will solve 50 divided by minus 5? So first of all, just cut down 5 in 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 again, this 0 will become 0. Understood? So students, here one thing you should remember this. The negative sign is in denominator part. So don't forget to give the sign. So this sign will come up. Okay. So the answer will be minus 10. Many of the students, what they are doing, they are just leave the negative sign in the denominator part as it is, and they are writing the answer in positive sign. Okay. So this is the wrong answer. So what we will do, the ultimate answer we will got, whatever the sign will be present in the denominator, just it will rise up to the numerator. So we'll got here minus 10. So come to the question number C. Minus 36 will divided by minus 9. So first of all, there is two signs. In numerator also there is a minus sign. In denominator there is minus. First of all, we just cut down these signs. So here minus 36 by minus 9. So this minus will cut down. Okay. This negative sign we have to cut down. Now 9, how this in 9 of multiplies, where in it comes 36, just cut down 9 1 ja 9, how 9 4 ja 36. Okay, so this 4 by 1 becomes 4. So we'll got the answer 4. Come to the next question, question number D. So here the question number D is minus 49 divided by 49. So just write down in this way, minus 49 by 49. Okay. So this 49 1s are 49, again 49 1s are 49. So many of the students, how they are writing, they are just cutting down this 49 and they are writing 0 in the answer, like in this way. 2 by 2, this will cut down and the answer will be 0. This is the wrong answer. Understood? So how we will write here? This 49 1s are 49, again 49 1s are 49. So minus 1 by 1. So here the answer will be minus 1. Understood? So remember answer. You remember student. You don't write that. Just cut down 2 by 2 as 0. You will got the answer 1. Nothing is there. It means 1 only. Okay. So come to the next question here. You just see they are using brackets. We have already discussed these brackets in our previous class. So how we will write this first? You just see first of all we have to solve this in between brackets. So these brackets are the round brackets. -2 plus 1. Write down in this way. 13 divided by -2 plus 1. Plus minus becomes minus. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. And we have to put, this is in addition and subtraction side. So what we have to do, we have to put the greater number sign. 2 is the greater one, so we have to put here minus sign as it is. Again 13 divided by -1. So how we will write 13 by -1. Okay, so this 13 becomes this positive, or sorry, this negative sign will go rise, means it will go to the upper numerator part. So the answer will be -13. So here -13 by 1, that is becomes -13. Understood? So in this way we have to solve. We have to first break the brackets. Inside brackets we have to do the sums first, and whatever the outside, after later on we have to do the afterward parts. First, come to the question number F. 0 divided by -12. Understood? This is the question, 0 divided by -12. So what the answer will got? 0 into, just write down it's in reciprocal part. Okay, 0 into 1 by -12. I have just solved this reciprocal in the first question. Anything will be divided by 12, or anything will divided to 0, that becomes 0. But to make you understood, what I have done here, I have written the, or using the multiplication side. So this 1 by -12, this is in reciprocal part. So if we will multiply these things, we'll got the same answer like this way. You just see 1 by -12, this 0 will be multiplied into 0, it becomes 0, and this -12 will be -12. So you just see here what we have done with the 12. I have done it in reciprocal. I just done it the reciprocal process. Okay, so you just see anything will be multiplied with 0, it becomes 0. So the answer will be 0. So come to the next question. So here the question G, that is -31 divided to -30 plus -1. So here you just see these are the brackets. What we have to do, we have to solve in between brackets first, as I have told you previously. So this -31 as it is, we have to write here. Just put the divide sign. This square bracket should be as it is. We just open this round brackets first. So how we will write -30 as it is. This plus minus becomes minus, okay, and 1. The next step will be -31 divided by, just open this brackets, or we have to do these sums. Minus minus becomes plus. So what we have to do, we have to add is 30 plus 1, that is 31, and we have to put the greater number signs, means the sign which it is given with the greater number. It is 30 means -31. So you just solve this in this way. -31 will divided by -31. I will do these answers. This minus minus will cut down. This 31 ones are 31, 31 ones is 31. It becomes 1. Okay, understood? We got the answer 1. Come to the next question H. Again here the next question is -36 divided to 12. So it is in between brackets. We have to do that sum first. Just write down like this. -36 divided by 12. Afterwards it will be divided to 3. So how we will write this? -36 divided by 12. Okay, and then it will be divided to 3. So 12, how many in the multiplication of 12, where is 36? 12 3s are 36, remember? So -3 divided by 3. So the answer we will got here this minus 3. Okay, divided when we will open these brackets, this minus divided up to 3. So how we will write this? Minus 3 divided by 3. This 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3. The answer will be 1. And the sign over here is minus. So we will put the sign, the negative sign. Understood? So come to the question number I. So here in question number I, you just see there are two square brackets. Within these brackets we have to do first, you just write down in this way, minus plus minus. Okay, this is in plus minus sign. So what we have to do? First we have to do this sum. Plus minus minus means 6 plus 5, that is, just write down in this way, minus 2 plus 1. The next step what we have to do? Plus minus becomes minus. So 6 minus 5, that is 1. But we have to put the sign over here according to its greater number. So 6 got the 6 is the greater number, and the negative sign it is with it. So we put here the negative sign, just divide it. Plus minus again, minus 2 minus 1, that is 1, and 2 is the greater one. So this negative sign it is in 2. So we have to put here the negative sign. So again minus 1, this minus 1 will be divided by this minus 1. This minus minus, the sign of this 2 will cut down. This 1 by 1 become 1. Understood? So come to the next question, question number 2. So you just see here the question is, student, it is of question number 2. Verify that A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C for each of the following values of A, B, C. What the question is saying? The question is saying that this is the condition. Okay, A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. You just remember this rule. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the distributive property. Remember, distributive property of multiplication. You just match this equation here, this formula. Understood? This is in the multiplication, but this is in the division. Okay, so here the topic is, we have already proved this one. This is suitable for the multiplication part, but it is not applicable in the division part. Okay, you just see here we have written this equation, the distributive property of multiplication in multiplication. But here what the question has done? The question is available here in the division part. The A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided to B plus A divided to C. So what we have to do here? We have to prove that this is wrong. We have to prove that this LHS or the right hand side, this equation is not equal to the left hand side of that part. So what we have to do? We have to prove this is wrong with the examples or with the values of A, B, C given with us. So how we will solve this one? You just see. So this one is the LHS. Okay. So first write down like LHS means left hand side. This part is the LHS and that one is the RHS. Understood? So in LHS what is given? That is A divided by B plus C. It is given with this equation, and simultaneously RHS is given with A divided by B plus A divided to C. This is the RHS part, right hand side part. So first of all we have to solve this LHS first. Okay, so the value of A is 12 here. You just see in this question the value of A is 12, and put the value of B, that is of minus 4. Again put the value of, just put the brackets over here, as because this 4 is the negative digit. the value of C is 2. So this is the equation we got over here using the value of ABC. So now we are solving this 12 as it is we are writing. First of all, we have to solve in between the brackets. So this minus 4 plus 2, minus plus become minus. So 4 minus 2, that is 2, and we will put the negative sign of the greater digit, that is 4. Again 12 divided by minus 2. So how the answer we will got? 2 6 ja 12, that is minus 6. This minus sign, it is in denominator, so it will rise up to numerator. So this 6 becomes minus 6. Understood? Now come to the RHS part. Okay, we got the answer minus 6 in LHS part. Now we have to solve the RHS. This one is the RHS, right hand side part. So what are the values we are getting here? The value of A is 12 divided by B, that is of the value of B, that is minus 4. Understood? Again, now A divided to C, the value of A, that is of 12 divided to C, that is of 2. So how we will solve? First of all, we have to solve in this way. This 12 divided by minus 4. Understood? 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2. How the answer will got? 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, we know. So this 3, as it is we are writing 3, and this minus sign will go rise up to numerator, so this becomes minus 3. Understood? Write down the plus sign, this plus sign will be here. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, it becomes 6. This plus minus becomes, in addition and subtraction, I just remembering you, plus minus becomes minus. 6 minus 3, that is 3, and we have to put here the positive sign as because 6 is greater than 3, so this is plus. So what we have to do here, we have to just match this positive plus 3 and this one is the minus 3. These two LHS and RHS are equal? No. So this shows that LHS is not equal to RHS. And this is the question we have to prove this only. So we can write that hence proved. Understood? We have proved here that this LHS is not equal to RHS. So come to the next question, question B. So here the bit B, it gives with the values of A is equal to minus 10, B equal to 1 and C is equal to 1 only. Okay. So just we have to write down the LHS first as we have solved previously the first question. So this is the LHS part. We have to write like this way, A divided by B plus C. And this one is the RHS part, that is A divided B plus A divided by C. So first of all, we are solving the LHS. The value of A is here minus 10. So just put it, the minus 10 in bracket. Write down the value of B, that is 1 plus the value of C, 1. So first of all, we have to do this, it is in bracket. So this minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1, 2. So how we will solve this? Minus 10 by 2. 2 5s are 10. We got the answer minus 5 in LHS part. Understood till here? Come to the RHS part. Okay. Here the value of A, that is of minus 10. Just put it inside this round bracket, divided by B, the value of B, that is 1. Again plus sign. The value of again A, it is in negative, so we have to put this in round bracket. This minus 10 divided by C, that is of 1. Understood? So we have to do the values, these you just see over here, these are the same values. Understood? So what we have to do, we can just cut it down. but we are not solving in this way. This will give us the different values. Okay, many of the students, what they are doing, they are just saying that this is the same values. Oh, these are the same values, just cut down and write down 0. But that one is the wrong way. Just solve it. We are just solving this one. You just see this minus 10 divided by 1. Okay, put the positive sign over here. Again this minus 10 divided by 1. So what the answer we are getting here? Minus 10 plus this minus 10. Why we are putting this minus is in bracket? As because this plus is nearer to this negative sign. So we are just putting it is in negative. The negative digit we are putting it in bracket. So again you just see minus 10. This plus minus becomes minus. Just 10 comes here. You see how the equation got changes ultimately. If you are seeing here, these are the simplest two simple or the two equal equation, then we just cut down the 0. Then the whole examiner will also give us 0. So you just see here minus minus becomes plus. So we have to just put the value 20. We are adding 10 up to 10, that is 20. And what the values we have to put here, you just see. These are the two equal digits. This is of 10, another one is 10. The two equal numbers. Okay, so what we have to do, if any question there are two equal values with a two equal sign, then the value of that sign we have to put here. We have to put the negative sign. Minus minus becomes plus. We have to add this, but the value will be minus only. Okay, so students, up till this we have to practice this all. Simultaneously we'll come with our next class in our next class. Till bye.